Today I'm going to show you how you can pay with Revolut on your phone. Now this is a really simple process, so make sure you watch right to the end so that you don't miss any steps. So let's jump into it. To start with, you first want to have your Revolut app open like I have here, and when we're on the home page, as we can see at the top under the search bar, there is a few different options for us to click. Now if we just go ahead and click cards, we will see all of the cards that we have. So in order to actually pay with Revolut on your phone, you do actually need to create a virtual card. So if you've got one already, just skip forward about 10-20 seconds in the video. However, if you don't have one yet, go ahead and click this get card button here. And then here we can choose which card we want. Since we want to make a virtual card, we want to go ahead and select virtual card, but you can choose to get a physical card if you would prefer that. So from here, we literally just choose what color we want. So you can pick from any of these. And when you're ready, you just click get virtual card for free. Now after this, you just have to name it, and then from there, your card will be created. Next up, you just want to open up your wallet. So type in wallet on your phone and open up this. Now from here, we just have to click this plus button in the top right corner. And then in a second, we will be able to choose debit or credit card. So you want to select this first option here and then continue with this. And here's where we can actually take a photo of our card, but since we're using a virtual card, we want to select enter card details manually. And now here's where we can actually add in our details. So what you want to do is type in your name, which is on that Revolut card that we just added. And then after you've done that, you just want to go into Revolut and open up that card that we just made. And then from there, we can copy the card number and we can just paste it right in this bit here. If you hold it down and you got it copied, you will be able to paste it. And then from there, you click next and you have to fill in a few more details about your card. And then after that, it'll be added to your wallet. And from there, you'll be able to open it up and pay contactless just like you do with everything else in your Apple Wallet. So that's exactly how you can pay with Revolut on your phone. I hope you found this video helpful, and I hope you successfully managed to get this added to your wallet and hopefully begin spending with your card. If you did find this video helpful, please comment down below to say this video helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching.